The fourth area of interest here is controls at the operating level. Management accounting has always been a control function. We've got a plan, we've got execution. Now what happens? Did we do it or didn't we do it? We start with a sales forecast, and we come up with a budgeted income statement, a budgeted balance sheet. We can use flex budgets today, again using our fixed and variable costs, just taking the variable cost per unit, multiplying that by the projected volume, and then adding on the fixed costs. The variance analysis with flex budgets can readily determine if we have volume or productivity variances. We do have some behavioral issues with budgeting. Okay, we have to be careful about that. Are we being victims of sandbagging? Are people budgeting correctly in good faith? But it's the best thing we've got so far. All right, many companies use a standard costing system. We have a set of materials, labor, and overhead standards for a unit of product or service, and unit sales are forecast, and it's translated into cost projections using these standard costs. An actual full-blown standard system or accounting system, the associated variances are recorded in the formal accounting system. For example, if we had a price standard for materials, and we had a group of materials that came in, and we were $20 over our standard. When we transferred those higher priced materials into work in process, we would actually record the variance at that point in the accounting system. For example, we're going into work in process, and let's say the standard for whatever material went in was $400, but we paid a price of $420. So, and there we had a price variance. And we would take it out of the materials inventory at the price we paid, which then leaves a $20 variance, gets recorded in as a price variance. So this is an innovation in which, we can actually plug the standards into our accounting system and be recording variances as they occur. Challenges with standards is establishing them in the first place. If they're going to be productive standards or punishment standards or whatever, we have to establish them, and we have to update the standards continuously. Generally, we're talking about a price or rate variance and a usage or efficiency variance for direct materials and direct labor.